In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account numbers to chart of accounts in QuickBooks. If you want your books to look more organized and easier to manage, turning on account numbers can be a really helpful step. Account numbers make it simpler to sort, identify, and structure your accounts, especially if you're working with a larger chart of accounts or following a more formal accounting system. The good news is that QuickBooks lets you enable this setting in just a few clicks. To get started, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find several settings and tools related to your company setup. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open the main settings area where you can customize different parts of your QuickBooks company file. Once you're inside Account and Settings, go to the Advanced section on the left-hand side. The Advanced tab contains more detailed preferences, including options related to your chart of accounts. In the Advanced section, find the area labeled Chart of Accounts and then click Edit. This is where QuickBooks allows you to control how your accounts are displayed and managed. Here you'll see the option to enable account numbers. Turn that setting on. Enabling this feature tells QuickBooks that you want to use account numbers alongside your account names, which can make your financial records much easier to navigate. After you enable it, click Save to apply the change. Once that's done, the setting is active, and you're ready to use account numbers in your chart of accounts. Now you can go to your chart of accounts and begin adding account numbers to your accounts. This is especially useful if you want to group similar accounts together or match a numbering structure used by your accountant or organization. Just make sure your numbering system stays consistent, because that will make your reports cleaner and easier to read over time. And that's it. Once the setting is turned on, you'll be able to start organizing your accounts with numbers in QuickBooks. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how structured your accounting setup feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.